Mr. Carson was talking about a gray box. What's your gray box? Is there something that you wish you knew that would help in setting monetary policy? Only one thing.
Yeah, no, I'd go back to the same thing, really, which is what did we get wrong? And that really was looking at these supply-side issues and believing that they would be resolved relatively quickly. And that by that I mean there were going to be vaccinations, everyone would get vaccinated, so the millions of people who dropped out of the labor force would come right back in, so wages wouldn't be under such pressure. That didn't happen for a range of reasons. It didn't happen. In addition, the bottlenecks and the shortages haven't been alleviated yet. And then on the back of that comes the new shock in the form of the war. But it wasn't something wrong with our models, because it wasn't in the models at all. It was a question of how to assess the persistence of these supply side shocks. And I do think that there'll be, to Augustin's point, and there is a lot of work going on to get smarter about the supply side. In the nature of it, though, it was a deep in the tail kind of a risk, and those are very hard to predict and assess when they come.
Yeah. Because monetary policy is not an exact science, how often do you actually speak on the phone to